One thing you have to do when you're estimating commercial properties is these places are so big that you have to find power. So not every place on a property are you going to be able to light. And as the king of Christmas lights here in Indianapolis with Indy Christmas Light Pros, we've done so many of these entranceways, so many HOAs, so many commercial buildings that we know the very first thing that we do, one, we want to know your goals. What are you trying to achieve out of having Christmas lights on your property? Is it employee engagement? Is it employee morale? Is it for recruiting and retention? Is it to show that you care about your employees? Or are you trying to get more people through your restaurant in the winter months when sales are down? What is the goal? That's going to determine what we're going to do on your property. But we know right after we find your goals, we have to find power wherever it is and see what we can actually do with that. And so here we're on one part of the edge of an entrance. And so you can already see that we've lit some of these. Now, we're here in October, so we don't want to turn these on. The customer doesn't want these on either. So we're going to stage these things, and then we're going to come back when they want them on, and we're going to plug everything in for them. But one thing that means is we have to find power at every single location. And sometimes when you go through here, you're going to see power boxes and things typically behind the walls, but not always. So you have to find where that power is. Sometimes it's literally in the trees. Sometimes it's, I don't know. There's so many different places that they can be. We've seen them in some odd places. We've seen them inside of plants. As plants get bigger, they put the power box somewhere and then the plant engulfed it. So you have to find power. Where are you going to run all of your extension cords? Because everything that we do is 100% custom made, custom fit to your property. So we have to be able to find that. Or if we can't, can we get power there somehow? Can we run it from another location? Or are you, as the property manager, property owner, are you going to have to get power installed in that location? Follow for more tips.